Welcome to Bank and Balance, your go-to channel for everything finance and business. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned investor, we're here to help you achieve financial freedom and success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Selling watches online can be a rewarding venture, allowing you to combine your interest in timepieces with the opportunity to generate a sustainable income. In this guide, we'll explore how you can launch and grow your online watch business, with the ultimate goal of earning $1,000 a month or more. This comprehensive walkthrough will provide insights into each stage of the process, from selecting your niche to scaling your operations effectively. To start, let's understand why watches remain an evergreen product. Watches are not just functional tools, they're style statements, collectibles, and in some cases, investments. They appeal to a wide range of audiences, from tech enthusiasts interested in smartwatches to luxury aficionados who value high-end brands. By tapping into this broad spectrum, you can carve out a profitable space in the market. The first step in building a successful online watch business is selecting a niche. A niche helps you stand out in a crowded market and attract a specific audience. Instead of trying to cater to everyone, focus on a particular category of watches. Some examples include smartwatches, affordable fashion watches, vintage watches, luxury watches, or niche-specific timepieces like dive watches or fitness trackers. For instance, targeting vintage watch enthusiasts could allow you to market collectible timepieces to a passionate audience willing to pay premium prices. Once you've selected your niche, research the demand and competition within that segment. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and marketplaces like Amazon and eBay can provide insights into what types of watches are trending. Check customer reviews to identify gaps in the market or common complaints that your business could address. For example, if customers often complain about slow shipping times, you could prioritize faster delivery to set your brand apart. Next, let's discuss sourcing your watches. There are several options to consider depending on your budget and business model. If you're starting with minimal investment, dropshipping is a viable option. Dropshipping allows you to list products from a supplier without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Platforms like AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping offer a wide range of watches for this model. If you have some capital to invest, consider purchasing watches in bulk from wholesalers. Wholesale purchases often come with significant discounts, increasing your profit margins. Websites like Alibaba or local trade shows can connect you with reliable suppliers. Make sure to request samples before committing to bulk orders to ensure the quality meets your standards. Another option is private labeling, where you work with a manufacturer to produce watches branded with your logo. This strategy helps build a recognizable brand and often leads to higher customer loyalty. However, it requires a larger initial investment and more involvement in product design and quality control. Once you have sourced your products, the next step is setting up your online store. Several platforms make it easy to create an e-commerce website, even if you have no prior experience. Shopify is a popular choice due to its user-friendly interface and extensive app ecosystem. WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress, is another excellent option for those familiar with website management. Alternatively, you can start by selling on established marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy to reach a built-in audience. When setting up your store, focus on creating a professional and visually appealing design. Use high-quality images of your watches taken from multiple angles. Include detailed descriptions that highlight the features, benefits, and unique selling points of each timepiece. For example, if you're selling a smartwatch, emphasize its fitness tracking capabilities, battery life, and compatibility with popular apps. Pricing your watches appropriately is crucial for attracting customers and achieving profitability. Research competitors to understand the price range for similar products. If your watches offer unique features or higher quality, you can justify a premium price. Consider running limited-time discounts or bundle deals to encourage purchases and build customer loyalty. Marketing your watches is where the real magic happens. Even the best products won't sell if no one knows about them. Start by leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, which are highly visual and ideal for showcasing watches. Post high-quality images, videos, and reels of your products, and use trending hashtags to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers who can showcase your watches to their followers, especially those within your target niche. Another effective strategy is running paid advertisements. Facebook and Instagram ads allow you to target specific demographics, such as age, gender, interests, and location. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives to see what resonates best with your audience. For instance, an ad highlighting the sleek design of a fashion watch may appeal to younger audiences, while an ad emphasizing the durability of a dive watch could attract adventurers. Email marketing is another powerful tool for growing your business. Collect email addresses through your website by offering a discount or free resource in exchange for signing up. Then, use email campaigns to promote new arrivals, exclusive deals, and valuable content related to watches. For example, you could send a weekly newsletter featuring styling tips or the history of iconic timepieces. Building trust with your customers is essential for long-term success. Offer excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries, addressing complaints professionally, and delivering products on time. Display customer reviews and testimonials on your website to provide social proof. A good review from a satisfied customer can go a long way in convincing potential buyers to trust your brand. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or entering new markets. For instance, you could start selling watch accessories like straps, cases, or cleaning kits. If you've focused on one niche, such as smartwatches, you could branch out into another category, like vintage or luxury watches. Scaling also involves optimizing your operations, such as automating inventory management and streamlining your shipping processes. To reach your goal of $1,000 a month, track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Identify what's working and double down on those strategies. For example, if Instagram Reels drive significant traffic to your website, create more of them and experiment with different styles to see what performs best. Don't forget to engage with your audience regularly. Respond to comments on your social media posts, ask for feedback, and create polls or quizzes to keep your followers engaged. Building a community around your brand not only boosts loyalty but also encourages word-of-mouth marketing. Finally, remember that consistency and patience are key. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and the willingness to adapt to changing trends and customer preferences. Stay committed to providing value to your customers, and the results will follow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bank and Balance for more tips on growing your online business. Together, we'll help you take your entrepreneurial dreams to the next level.